Hey there, fellow nostalgia enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of retro-inspired design with the 8BitDo retro mechanical keyboard. If you're like me and you love a little blast from the past, stick around because we've got a fantastic piece of tech to talk about. First things first, take a look at this beauty. It comes in two versions, the N edition and the Family edition. I've got the N edition right here, inspired by the classic US Nintendo Entertainment System. But honestly, I'm quite drawn to the Family edition with its maroon, gold, and off-white color scheme. The N edition sports the classic NES colors with a red LED power light and a faux grille design. On the other hand, the Family edition not only rocks a unique color scheme, but also features Japanese characters printed on the keys, paying homage to the iconic Nintendo Famicom Basic keyboard. Now, let's talk features. This keyboard is not just about looks, it's packed with functionality. On the top, you'll find a 3-position mode switch for Bluetooth, off, and 2.4G modes. There's also a volume knob, a pairing button, a fast key mapping button, and a profile changing button. What sets this keyboard apart are these comically oversized super buttons. They're not just for show, they're fully customizable. I've programmed my B and A keys to perform Control-C and Control-5 functions, which is a real-time saver. On the back, you'll find 3.5mm jacks for connecting the 8BitDo super buttons. You can hook up to 4 of them, and they're both fun and practical. The keyboard boasts over 200 hours of battery life from a single charge of its 2000 mAh battery, and it's quite reliable, even during intensive tasks like gaming. Structurally, this keyboard is a tank. It's made of rugged plastic and feels sturdy. The keys are Kale Box White Switches V2, offering a satisfying click without being overly aggressive. Plus, it's hot swappable, so you can customize your keys to your heart's content. For gaming, this keyboard shines. I've tested it extensively, and it's a fantastic wireless option that feels just as good as a wired keyboard. No more cable snags during intense gaming sessions. It's been a game changer, and I haven't experienced any performance issues. In conclusion, the 8BitDo retro mechanical keyboard is more than just a nostalgia play. It's a well-built, rugged gaming keyboard with a fantastic battery life, customizable super buttons, and an attractive retro design. Whether you're a gamer or just someone who appreciates a stylish keyboard, this one's a winner in my book. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and gaming content. Until next time, stay nostalgic and keep on gaming.